I'm a mom, and as moms, we are always multitasking, and we need to be as hand-free as we can be, especially when it comes to our phones. Let me show you why. I recently discovered this handy little attachment called Scooch WINGBACK, and you just place it here on the back of your phone, and it only takes like 3 seconds here, and then pop this up, and there you go. It acts like an anchor here for my small hand, so I can access my phone and all my apps with one hand effortlessly. And when I go to the grocery store, or I'm taking the kids to soccer practice, and when I'm cooking my favorite meals, I don't drop my phone. I love, love, love to cook in the kitchen, and before I had Scooch WINGBACK, I would prop my phone on anything I could find in the kitchen, and oh, it was so frustrating. I want to be able to follow along my recipes and make these yummy, delicious dishes, but now it's so easy. Click here, and voila, I can watch my online recipes here in the kitchen, or I could even FaceTime with my daughter who's in college now, or read online articles. So I have the perfect angle for anything that I want to do on my phone. If you are a multitasking mom like me and you need an extra hand, get yourself WINGBACK by Scooch.
Add this small accessory to any phone and it'll prevent broken screens and add a ton of functionality. The Scooch is pretty cool because as you can see here, it's very slick, it's super slim, and it's low profile so it doesn't get hung up or caught on your pockets. But it's also easy to install onto any phone too. So if you want to take a look here, you can see the Scooch has this adhesive back, and it's a good amount of surface area, so it's super sturdy. And you can line it up again on any kind of phone, Apple or Android. Line it up towards the base, get it in the center, and drop it down. And you just press down that adhesive, and just like that, your Scooch WINGBACK is like installed, nice and sturdy. Boom! Now you won't be dropping your phone. And that prevents a lot of the issues that my clients always had. They'd be using their phone, something scares them, or they accidentally slip, and then it's straight to the floor. But with the Scooch, as you can see, it's very sturdy. We just installed this and it's stuck on there. So I trust this thing pretty good. But additionally, this guy becomes a kickstand. So I can actually hold Zoom calls, continue to make appointments while I'm fixing my phone. And if I need to watch a tutorial on like an update of phone parts, or I want to watch some Netflix while I'm going through a bunch of phones, turning it to the side is perfect too. It gives me the perfect viewing angle and everything works out well. And another functionality that I love, this can actually go into your air vent, and then it becomes a phone dock. So you can just go in and out of your car and not have to worry about like attaching this to some bulky device, or you pull it off and something's left in your car. This thing comes with you, but it's slick, it stays away and out of sight, but when you need it, it's there. If you guys are tired of breaking your screens and want to add a ton of functionality without the bulkiness, give Scooch WINGBACK a try.